Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to import an image into Unity and create a sprite from it. This is super useful when you're working on 2D games or any project where you need to add custom graphics. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your image. First things first, make sure your image is ready. It should be in a common format like PNG or JPEG. If you need transparency, go with PNG. Step 2. Importing the image into Unity. Now, open up Unity and navigate to the Assets panel at the bottom. Right-click anywhere in this panel and select Import New Asset. Then, find your image file on your computer, select it, and hit Import. You should see your image pop up in the Assets panel. Step 3. Creating the sprite. With the image imported, click on it in the Assets panel. Look over to the inspector on the right side. Under Texture Type, make sure it's set to Sprite, 2D and UI. This is what turns your image into a sprite. Once you've done that, drag the image from the Assets panel into your scene, and voila! You now have a sprite in your Unity scene. Step 4. Adjusting the sprite. You can move, resize, and rotate the sprite just like any other object in Unity. Play around with the settings in the inspector to get it just right. And that's it. You've successfully imported an image and created a sprite in Unity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Unity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.